My name is Anne Grant, and I'm one of the librarians at Clemson University. And I wanted to provide you guys with a couple of tutorials that might help you get your work done while we're working from home. So, your professor has told you to search the quote databases to find articles for your assignment. So, you freak out. Go to the library homepage, but you're not really sure where to start. Why can't you just use Google? It would be so much easier. Well, the first thing to know is that Clemson Libraries purchase access to millions of dollars worth of valuable databases. And when we click on this link for databases A to Z, we can see that we have 626. That's 626 buckets of information for you to look through. But don't worry, it's not that complicated. I just want to show you really quickly one of our broad databases called Academic Search Complete. And because we're off campus, we're going to log in. So when you're in a database, this is basically searching a stack of journals. So Academic Search Complete is one stack of journals, and when you put your keywords in, it searches that stack of journals. You can choose databases to search. EBSCOhost in particular owns a lot of stacks of journals. So each one of these that you see here is a different collection of online articles. So if you're looking for a medical topic, you might want to add Medline to your search. If you're looking for a historical topic, you might want to add a history database like History Reference Center or Historical Abstracts. And if you're looking for something that's multidisciplinary, or if you're lazy like sometimes I am, you can just select all of them and search all of the buckets at the same time. This makes a difference because it will broaden your search and help you find more information. So once we have all these databases added, we're going to add our keywords. And in this case, we're going to search for college students and their sleep habits and how that might impact their studies. So in this first box, we're going to put college student. And unlike Google, it's not going to automatically search for different word endings. So we used a star or an asterisk to tell it to search for multiple word endings. And sleep, again, sleep, sleeping, sleeps. And then we're going to try our search with that. One thing about the databases is that they have far more options on the side over here as far as facets go. Google and Google Scholar have some, but these really take it to the next level. So when you go to Amazon and you look for tennis shoes, you don't just type in tennis shoes and scroll through pages and pages. You pick your size, you pick your gender, you might pick the color. All that is available here with these databases. So you might want to look at age, language, gender of the people that you're studying. You might want to look in journals, newspapers, magazines. You can look for images. So basically, a database is different from a search engine in that it searches for information that costs money to subscribe to. So the good news is that librarians have organized all of these buckets of information into subject guides. So you can go to research and course guides and easily navigate to your particular area. I'm the history research librarian, so if you go to my history guide, you'll see that I've pulled out the key databases so that you don't have to go through all 626 of those databases to try to find the one that's going to work for you. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you need anything else, please don't hesitate to contact a librarian and we'll reach out and figure out how to get you the resources you need. Take care of yourselves and stay safe.